Hi, this is a quick fix for an ear and nose trimmer. The one that I've got in my hand is a Remington, but they're basically all the same principle. Now the first thing to do is to check that the battery is okay. Now secondly, you take the head off, and what happens is the cutters tend to seize up. So the way to do it is I just dip the cutter into a glass of water, and what you do then is get a pair of long nose scissors, and if you look into the back you can see clearly, and all you do is you put the long nose scissors in and you just move it from side to side. Just keep doing it until it's free. And that's it. It's a very easy quick fix. And then you just assemble it. Right. And that's it. Fixed. Okay, thanks for watching.